Are you tired of doing repetitive tasks at work? Recording your first bot in UiPath StudioX can change that. Start by launching UiPath StudioX and creating a new project. Choose the Recording option and select the Desktop Recording type. Now, navigate to the application you want to automate, like a web browser or Excel, and start recording your actions. UiPath StudioX will capture every click, keystroke, and mouse movement, turning them into automatable steps. For example, if you're automating data entry in a web form, UiPath StudioX will record each field you fill in and the Submit button you click. To refine your recording, use the Recorder panel to add annotations, edit steps, or even insert conditional logic. Subscribe to AutoTube for more automation tips and tricks, and watch our next video on debugging your UiPath StudioX bots.